Let's see 4 stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock in the list is DLF. If you see this particular price point, just see the kind of movement DLF made in the past. It kept on touching the daily resistance levels on continuous basis. It touched the level on 4 or rather 5 occasions before breaking the zone. If you see the current level, currently the stock is also touching this particular level right over here. Having said that, I do not see any breakdown in the downward direction, just because if you see this particular candle, there are a lot of demand candle in the support zone, so I would expect DLF to rise in tomorrow's session. So we are bullish on DLF for short term. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Hindalco. Hindalco has made double top in daily chart. Double top is a sign of losing momentum. Generally, if we see any reversal trend near double top, we sell it. So in tomorrow's session, I feel that is going to happen. Even though do not straight away sell from the closing price from Friday's session, just wait for first 2 to 3 candle, which could be in any time frame, 5 minutes, 1 minute. I will prefer you to check 1 minute candles, and then basis if you see any reversal indication, then you can sell it. Third stock in the list is Canara Bank. If you see the daily chart, you can see that Canara Bank is currently consolidating in this particular range. It tried to break out on one particular occasion in 2 to 3 weeks ago, but the immense selling pressure brought it down to the current level. What about tomorrow's session? I expect Canara Bank to go lower and then retrace back from this particular range. Let's see 15-minute chart. You can see the 15-minute chart over here. You can see the contraction in the prices. So in tomorrow's session, if you see any kind of up movement from this range, I think we could very see a large movement. The movement could go as much as 108 or even 112. It depends upon when it breaks out. If it breaks out in the early part of the session, then you can easily book profit in first 15 to 20 minutes. So be extremely vigilant in early part of session if you are trading into Canara Bank. Fourth and certainly not the least stock for tomorrow's session is Tata Motors. If you observe the kind of movement the stock has made in daily chart, you can see this particular pattern panning out. It continues to make lower lows, which means that stock is currently in uptrend. But what about tomorrow's session? You can see this little consolidation over here in this particular price zone. So if price persists or continues to consolidate in this zone in tomorrow's session, we could see a breakout. I will take you to the 15-minute chart, and this is where all the magic is going to happen. If you see this particular zone over here, this is the zone over here where we could very well see a break out to the upper direction right here. The target should be around this particular point, so you should be wary of the zone. I will give you the level. The level is around 105 to 106. I expect retracement in tomorrow's session from this level. Thank you for watching.